Well, it sure is a very cloudy start here this morning. As you can see behind me from City Cam 8 in downtown La Crosse, our current temperatures are at 42 degrees currently in La Crosse, but we got a bit of a wind chill there around 37 degrees thanks to that east-northeast breeze, very light at around 8 miles an hour. Current conditions to the north in Eau Claire, partly cloudy skies for you. Temperatures at 35 degrees, but it does feel like 29 when you factor in the wind chill. Northeast winds at around 8 miles an hour here. Very cloudy weather continues to move in across the Coulee region from the west. And this is all associated for what is developing to our west in the form of a broad trough of low pressure. We're going to be watching the system closely, especially the stationary frontal boundary currently positioned to the south, which eventually is expected to turn into a warm front and move north. And that is going to help spark off cloudy skies, rain showers, and some thunderstorms in association with it. So as you can see, today's severe weather outlook does call for widespread severe weather. These are the same spots that actually just got hit last week, if you remember, on Friday, including us here in the Coulee region. Got a couple of moderate risk areas associated here with this severe weather potential here. The severe weather potential here for us here in the Coulee region calls for a slight risk of severe weather highlighted in yellow. Main timing here for us is between 8 to 11 p.m. with hail being the primary risk, followed by some gusty winds and some of those stronger thunderstorms. Localized street flooding is also a possibility here, but maybe even a couple of isolated tornadoes can't even be ruled out here anywhere in the Coulee region. We'll keep our eyes on this potential, but we'll time it out here for you. Rain showers begin to move in at around noon today, followed by some scattered showers, perhaps around 4 o'clock, 46 degrees, and then some thunderstorms begin to roll in as we head into early on this evening. And you'll see it here as we time things out on Sky Tracker. Once that warm front begins to move in our general direction, we're actually going to be looking at some rain showers forming just along that, just north of that front rather, by around noon today. And then we may get a bit of a break here around 3 o'clock and also into 7 o'clock. But here you can see widespread thunderstorms developing at around 10 o'clock tonight as that system continues to pull in our general direction. This is when we can expect some of those gusty winds, maybe even a little bit of hail, and the possibility does exist for a couple of isolated tornadoes and some of those stronger cells that begin to move our way. I do expect that everything should clear out of here by around 2 o'clock in the morning tonight once the main system continues to move in our general direction. Here's 6 o'clock in the morning by tomorrow, and you can see the lows basically right on top of us. That just means that our pressures will be dropping out here quite a bit. Cloudy skies here perhaps as well on the back side of the system as we head into early tomorrow morning. And the precipitation actually will change over to snow on the northwest side of the system as those temperatures cool down. Maybe even a couple of flurries could move their way towards the south. I'm not really expecting a whole lot of that though here. By 4 o'clock this afternoon, we are looking at some gusty winds up to around 25 to 30 miles an hour as that system approaches us. On the backside, those winds really pick up as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We could see gusts up to anywhere between 30 to 40 miles an hour here at times before those wind speeds begin to settle down as we head into Thursday evening here. So looking ahead, once this low pressure system exits the area, we're going to be watching high pressure developing well to our south and west here as we head into Thursday. And it looks like the same system will move in our general direction over the Great Lakes as we head into Friday afternoon. That should cause some nice weather to work with to wrap things up here by the end of the work week. And at the same time, our temperatures will be warming up well into the 60s here for Saturday and Sunday. There will be a slight chance of thunderstorms, however, on Sunday.